Hello, my dear listener. Today I want to tell you about my hobby. It helps me learn English. I think everyone should have a hobby. A hobby makes us happy. It makes our mind fresh. It makes us strong. My hobby is gardening. I love my garden very much. I go there every day. In front of my house, there is a small garden. It has many plants and colorful flowers. I water them every morning. I grow roses, sunflowers, and marigolds. They look so pretty. They make my home look beautiful and bright. I also grow vegetables. I have tomatoes, green chilies, and spinach. Sometimes my mother cooks fresh food from our garden. When I work in the garden, I feel peaceful. I forget all my stress. My heart feels light and happy. My father helps me too. He shows me how to plant seeds and care for the plants. We often talk while working in the garden. He tells me, plants are like children. They need love and care. My mother also supports me. Every morning, she gives me a bucket of water. She smiles and says, "John, your garden looks lovely." Sometimes she sits near the garden and watches me work. She loves the smell of fresh flowers. Sometimes my friends come to visit. They say, "Wow, John, your flowers are amazing." That makes me proud. They take photos and share them online. Some of them even ask me for tips on gardening. Now let me tell you how gardening helps me learn English. You might ask, how does that work? Let me explain.
When I'm in the garden, I talk to myself in English. I say things like, I am planting seeds. I'm watering the plants. The flowers are red. The leaves are green. I also say, look at this rose. It is blooming. I try to use colors and actions in my sentences. This helps me speak English in daily life. I also learn new words like soil, seed, water, root, and leaf. I write these words on small cards and hang them near the plants. This way, I can read them every day. Sometimes I write simple English sentences about my garden in a notebook. Like, my garden is small. It has many flowers. I water it daily. It makes me happy. I try to write a new sentence every day, even if it's short. I feel good when I finish it. Writing helps me practice more. I also watch gardening videos in English. I learn new words and ideas. I pause the video and repeat the words slowly. Then I say them out loud while I work. When I read books about plants, I pick English ones. I read slowly and write down new words I don't know. Sometimes I draw pictures to remember the words. I also look at the dictionary to check the meaning. I also teach my friends. I show them my flowers and say, "This is a rose. That is a sunflower. These are green leaves." We practice English together in the garden. We laugh when we make mistakes, and we help each other. We laugh and enjoy learning together. My teacher says, "Great work, John. You are using your hobby to improve your English. That makes me happy." She tells other students about my garden too. She says, "Learning with fun is the best way." Sometimes I dream of visiting famous gardens in London, Japan, or America. I want to speak English there. I watch videos of those places on YouTube. They look so beautiful, like a dream. The flowers, trees, and designs are so different from mine. I wish to walk in those gardens and learn from them. I want to ask gardeners, "What flowers do you grow? How do you care for your plants?" So, gardening helps me dream. It helps me learn words. It helps me speak small sentences every day. It also helps me feel calm and peaceful. When I touch the plants, I feel close to nature. It's like the plants talk to me in their own way.
I think every student should follow their hobby. Maybe your hobby is singing, drawing, or playing football. You can use that to learn English too. While playing football, say, "I kick the ball," "I pass the ball," "I run fast." You can also say, "I shoot," "I score." Every action is a new word. Your body moves and your words follow. This makes learning fun and easy. When singing, sing English songs. You will learn new words. When drawing, say, "I draw a tree," "I draw a bird," "I draw a house." Even one line a day is good practice. Use your own voice with confidence. These small sentences help you speak every day. The more you speak, the better you become. My teacher always says, "John, English is not just in books, it's around you. Use it every day." And I follow that. I try to notice English words in shops and on TV. I say them out loud and try to remember them. I also read easy English garden stories and watch English shows on YouTube. I repeat the new words. I sometimes write those words on paper and stick them on my wall. Seeing them daily helps me remember. Sometimes I tell my parents what I learn. This flower needs water. This plant needs sunlight. They feel proud. I feel proud too. Gardening and English are both my good friends. They help me grow and feel smart. They help me believe in myself. I know I am improving, step by step. One day, I want a big garden. I want to teach children how to grow flowers and speak English at the same time. I also want to make videos. I will speak English and show my garden to people around the world. Maybe one day, people will learn from my videos. They will say, "Thank you, John, you inspired me." That would be the happiest moment of my life. I believe my dream will come true. I just need to practice, both gardening and English, every day. So, my dear friends, remember this. A hobby is not only for fun, it's also your teacher. Use it to learn English. Speak small words, make small sentences, use them daily. You'll see magic happen. You'll speak English better. You'll feel strong and happy. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you liked it. I hope it made you smile. I hope it gives you a new idea. Try it with your own hobby. It will help you too. Please share the story with friends. Tell them, let's use our hobbies to learn English. See you next time. Take care. Keep smiling.
Keep practicing. Keep growing flowers. And your English too. Bye-bye, my dear friends.